Welcome to the channel where all you gotta do is open this box. So, been doing some more sheet metal work on the fast bank. So I decided to order a box inside the box. It's got the penis on there, so you know how that works. So anyway, I've been just using my angle grinder, this guy, but it's a little big to get into some areas, and it's kind of heavy, and it's hard to be finessey with it. So removing a tiny bit of material is a little bit challenging. Don't worry, that can go there. TEENO. Ooh, safety apparel. Nice. So anyway, I thought I would get a electric version because the air ones are just noisy and crappy, and this is not exactly what I thought it was going to be. But maybe it'll work. I don't know how well you can see this, but it's kind of made to be a cutoff tool to work like that, but I'm going to need it like that. So maybe this guard is kind of in a terrible place. Pretty sure I can fix that. And I'm certainly not going to use it as a saw or cutoff. I don't think it came with those. I'll be using like a flap disc like this. I'm pretty sure that's going to be the solution I'm going to opt for. So I don't usually remove guards, but I think this time I'm gonna. Or at least I'm going to reorient the guard to more appropriate position. I'll be wearing my fume hood anyway, so this guard's made out of plastic, so I'm not sure what good that's going to do me. It's totally just plastic. So anyway, this goes like this. It does feel a bit on the, how you say, chintzy side. It was $40 though, so, you know. Do I really need that? Yeah, I guess I do. I really didn't want an air one because it's bad enough having, you know, electrical cords hanging around and stuff. It'd be even worse. I think that'll work. Let's see what I'm doing. That's why I removed the guard. So when I'm holding this up, I can see what I'm grinding. And with the guard on there, I wouldn't be able to see what I'm grinding. And like if you're using it like this as a cutoff, then all that, you know, it's gonna come right in your face. So I kind of wanted one that was. So anyway, I think this will still work. Oh, that feels not. So how do I tell if this battery is charged up? And how do I charge it up? Oh, there's a plug-in thing right here. Isn't that special? So let's plug this guy in, see what it does. It says red. Let's Probably because it's not charged. But seems okay. You'll see more of this on the channel, I guess, and you'll see more of this inside of its little stupid box that probably the only time I'll have open. I forgot to put the special tools in there. All right, well. Actually, it's not bad. We'll see if it lasts more than 6 months. It does have this nice rubber coating on it. It's kind of a bummer that you got to use 2 hands to, right? Because if you're holding it like this, you got to push one button, the safety button, with one hand. And so I'm holding it like this, I got to use my other hand. Not a big deal. I'm gonna have to go back on Amazon and see if it looks like this in the picture, because I don't remember it looking like this. I'll put something in the video up in the corner there.